Julie.
And I'm Carly, and we're from the Two Myos.
Today we've got a short little video on teaching you how to do a squat. Now, a squat is a fundamental exercise when training. It is so good, it works your butt, your legs, and all through your hips. So, we're going to start with Carly demonstrating today. I always like when you're first starting out is to use a chair and just simply practice sit to stand. So she drops the weight back onto the chair, and as she stands, she pushes through her heels to lift herself back up. Keep going. Now notice as she comes down, her knee tracks over her second and third toe. This is really important, and we want our knees to stay behind our toes. So if my hand was here, she wouldn't be hitting it. Nice. When that becomes comfortable, you can remove the chair. Just make sure she knows about it. And you can do the same action. The depth will come with time. You don't have to go super deep for a squat to be effective. If your knees don't like it, just do a third or half squat. Again, notice the way her knee is tracking over the second and third toe. Looking good, Carly.
Hello, can't you go?
Beautiful. So, that is your basic squat. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, and if you like what we do, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and please share with your friends.
Any other exercises you want to know information on, please comment below. Have a great day.
Bye.
Hi everyone, today we've got a quick little video on how to do a squat.
I'm Carly.
I'm gonna wet my pants. Oh my God.
Has anyone seen my baseball?